Hello. It's 3:19. I got up at like 11. You guys saw my morning. I just wanted to kind of take you along with me, but I didn't want to wake Augie up prematurely, so I didn't say any words. Tried to be quiet as much as I could. But it's time to get started on my to-do list, so here we are. I think I'm gonna start by just cleaning things. And then we'll see what I want to do next, because I want to do my nails, but I have to go to Target in order to do that. It's raining. I have to cut my hair. That means I have to take a shower. I don't know. But I'm gonna start by cleaning. So let's clean. We're gonna start with the kitchen, obviously, because that is where I am. So, ew. What is that? I forgot to show you guys, but very exciting. So, yesterday, well, after the football game, I decided to put my DVDs in the media thing. So we organized them all by genre. Had a great time trying to figure that out because they're all like very mixed genre movies. So this is the left side, the right side, and then there's the open side. So this is the left side. So obviously these guys are a little shorter, but like the height and the depth of this, there's 3 rows of DVDs here. So even behind these, there's more DVDs. So, and that's literally all my DVDs. So I literally cannot believe that they fit so perfectly. And then all my games fit. My friend's DVD collection and my other little thing that has like loose DVDs in fits perfectly. This literally just has one Switch game. And then over here we have the records. Super cute. But anyway, I'm gonna reorganize the fridge a little bit, so let's do that. Hi guys! 2 hours later. But my camera died, obviously, as it does. We went to Target and we just got back, so I'm gonna show you guys what we got. We got some chips for a bowl that I want to make tonight. You know us at this point. Augie gets a new flavor every time. And I get this every time. And Target had it and it was on sale, so I was feeling real good. I got a bunch of stuff that I needed to do my nails. So I got like a clear coat, all the crap that one needs, nail polish remover, and this brown color that hopefully is as pretty as it looks, because I have ideas. We got some corn. We got some chicken and some eggs. Chicken and some eggs. Hi guys. I'm bald. Augie's about to come upstairs, so I'm gonna take out everything that we're gonna use for dinner. We're making those bowls like I've been saying. So I'm gonna take out the ingredients so we can get cooking, and then after that I'll take a shower, and then after that I'll edit. It's already 7 something, so like they kind of went, you know. I also only did my hands, meant to do my toes too, but I put everything away and then I remembered. So yeah. But my nails are literally so cute. I just did like a little brown tip on them. This one's still super sus with that corner, but I just didn't want to cut it. I honestly don't care, so, you know. So cute. It also like matches half my clothes right now, so that's good.
Have to make sense, huh?
Intelligence, common sense.
Why do you have to say things that are obviously right? Whoa! Did you feel that? You just shocked me. That's crazy. That's how I feel every time I come up with a new song and somebody else does it. You're gonna experience that through that. Well, I'm also going to experience it again through a different medium, but you'll experience it. I invent the Google Wallet.
Is this a joke? Well, it's still recording, so I guess I'll just keep it going until it turns off. Obviously we finished eating. It was so yummy. We both got full. There was like a couple bites left for both of us, and we both just got full like right at the end. But yeah, I'm about to take a shower real quick. I obviously didn't get to editing. It's freaking 11 p.m. so by the time I like shower and do stuff, it's gonna be so late. So I'll see you guys when I'm out of the shower and doing my hair.
Baby!
What?
Baby.
What is
You
this?
can make
What?
your whole hair that way.
Baby, I want to be bald. Alright guys, So I cut my hair a little bit, obviously. Did my skincare. My hair just is this right now. Obviously it's in a headband, so it doesn't look like this, but like it kind of looks like this. And I'm just gonna decide if I want to cut it more based on how I feel about it tomorrow. That's it for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually super exciting because our Ikea shipment arrives, and that shit is gonna have me so happy with a mirror that I can see myself from the waist down. But yeah, that's all tomorrow, so obviously I'll bring you guys with us for that. It's actually all gonna get here before like 1 p.m. and I work, so I guess you're not gonna be able to play with anything until I'm back. Alright, so that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Hi guys! It's dumb late, it's like 10 p.m. Obviously I got out at 8. And then I came to have a chat with you guys and my SD card was full, so I had to empty that out, but then my laptop was dead, so I had to charge that first. And then we had to have dinner and shit, so here we are. But our Ikea stuff came, so I wanted to show you real quick. So first things first, we got our utensils, our silverware. Some of them are definitely like open and have been used, but you know that's because we had to eat. Oh my god, look at my hair. So we also got these bins that I have to build, but this is the wood on them, but they're just bins. And then I got 2 packs of the 6-pack of the scubs in gray. So that's terrific. And then also, we got new towels. So these are just the Ikea, like regular old bath towels. They have a little, you know, to hang. Last but never the least. Ready? Are you ready? Wha-bam. Look at this mirror. It's so large. I don't know if this is final positioning necessarily, but like, are you crazy? I just don't necessarily love how close it is to the edge. So yeah, that's the home improvement updates. Very exciting. Obviously still need to get rid of some boxes, but I'm absolutely in love. The way I'm gonna just be vlogging here all the time. But yeah, I really need to like start editing ASAP, so that's actually what I'm gonna do. Probably tomorrow I'll come home and like build those boxes and organize a little before my birthday. So I'm going to edit and then maybe I'll catch you guys later. We'll see. Hey guys, don't mind this head of mine. I put on my headband because I did my skincare routine, but I finished a fire first run through editing moment just now, so I'm all sorts of gassed up, and then skincare and shit. But I also made a to-do list for things I need to do tomorrow being day before the birthday. So I'm gonna have to clean the closet, I'm gonna have to do some laundry, I'm gonna have to hang up stuff. This is all subcategory of clean closet. I'm gonna have to hang up some stuff, organize the boxes, clean up this middle shelf because that's a pile of crap. I need to finish editing, so I need to do the time-lapse music, the transitions, make Augie watch it, do the thumbnail, and schedule the upload. Throw out any and all garbage. Put away Ikea stuff, sweep bathroom, make house cute for the homies, put on my under eye patches because these things be dark these days. Buy a hair straightener. Lots to do. That's it for tonight. Not much to do today. Mostly editing stuff, but everything's exciting and fun. Oh my god, guess what? It's literally tomorrow, so it's the 22nd, so my birthday's tomorrow. In literally less than 24 hours, she's gonna be 21. Are you crazy?
That's crazy.
Makes no sense. I'm gonna go because I can't even think about that. Alright. Good night, guys. Hello! So I'm home. It's November 22nd. That means it's the day before my freaking frockin' birthday. And I have an eternal to-do list to do. So, I think I'm gonna start with laundry because that's passive. And then I think I'm going to edit because that's important in a timely manner. But let's start with the laundry. Fun. Also, Augie's making fish. Rice is cooking. and everything's great. Oh wait, quick haul. First things first. This is, okay, nope, can't see anything. Okay, I think you guys can see this. This is the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Eye Crayon in the color, I guess, blacker, but it's definitely spelled Blacour. I kind of just wanted to possibly maybe do a waterline eyeliner tomorrow. Who knows? Maybe I won't, maybe I will. I went in and I got that, and then I ran into this. This is the Necessaire Body Wash Eucalyptus Scent. I've seen this on Instagram is basically why I got this, and I saw it in the store and I thought it was cute. And I wanted like a pretty soap for the bathroom because I feel like our shampoos are pretty, and I just wanted, we didn't get this right. This is the bottle. I can smell it through the bottle, it smells great. And then they gave me my birthday present. So I got the Milk little sample set thing, mostly for the Kush mascara because I haven't tried it. Also the little blush lip and cheek thing, because I feel like a liquid blush or like a not powder blush would be like a good option. Then afterwards, I went to Target. I got this hair straightener. It's just the Revlon. It's like a copper and black. But I meant to get this other one, but I didn't like the material on the outside. This one's more of like that shiny kind of material. The other one was like that matte material, and I don't like touching that. So I got this one. It was also cheaper, so I just kind of needed something to do its job. I don't need it to be great. And then I also got myself some birthday candles. They're gold. There's 20 of them, which kind of throws me off a little, but that's fine. I don't have a lighter or anything to put the candles into, but that seems like a problem for a different time. So that's my haul, and now we're gonna do laundry. All right, guys, so I put some laundry away and I'm editing. I should be just about done, but I still have to show Augie. However, dinner time. Oh my God.
That's the ugly one, that's mine.
I don't care, it looks so good. Crazy. So we're gonna eat and I'll see you guys after. Look who's here again. She has a project that she has to do, so we're gonna take some more pictures. We have 2 shoots to do. The laundry's being done. I finished the video. Still got hella shit on that to-do list, but that's fine. We got time. Look at us being bros. So what's the look, Haiti? Can you tell them?
Prompt is staged. So I'm gonna put together a little 70s scene in there on their couch. Make her look straight out the 70s. And then the other prompt is fashion. So we're gonna do just a quick little 1-2 moment.
Do you want my hair to look 70s?
Done.
Done. Look at that. Perfect!
You snapped. Yo, why don't you dress like this every day?
That's what Augie thinks. He literally swears.
Why don't you dress like this every day? Hell yeah, brother! That's what I'm talking about. Harry Styles who?
Nah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Visit Toyota.com.
You never know what you'll find at Toyota Bond.
Well, I think I got it again.
Holding. Defense. So that's only the second interception of the season against the
That's right.
Both have come against the
That's right.
Complete miscommunication here with Patrick Mahomes. Mullen here is going to fall
I ain't
down.
never snapped this forward.
All right, guys, we finished shoot number 1. I gave you guys a little behind the scenes moment. But we're gonna go on to number 2. Number 2, the theme is fashion, methinks. Yeah, just fashion.
Yes.
Insert picture of the completed
Okay, wait.
picture. Baby,
Yes?
picture.
Huh?
Come here.
somewhere on the
Point
screen.
somewhere on the screen and say picture.
Picture?
shit. Okay, you guys did not get a behind the scenes of that one because I forget things. But picture. Tons of fun. We love a housewife. It's to-do list time. What time is it, anyone? 10:33. Now I'm going to open up those Ikea bins and try to organize the closet a little. So let's open those up, see what the heck they look like, because I got no idea. So you literally just zip them up and then it forms a little box. Cute.
She's the only girl in the whole wide world, running around the city like she's on vacation. With her there's always something to do, whether you're a dude or